Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can add Discord music boot to our server. So first of all, go to your Discord account and make sure that you are logged into your account. And after you log into your account, go to Google again, and here we will get Discord boot from a website. So type in top.gg. Do the security check, and after the site opens up, search for Discord music boots. Then click on search. Now see the boots below promoted one, and here are different music boots. So we can select one and invite it to our server. So let's invite green boot to our server. Click on invite. Select the server in which you want to invite this boot, and then click on continue. Then authorize it for different functions and prove that you are human. And after the authorization, go to your Discord server, and here you can see that the green boot is available in your server. So all you have to do is just type in star help and press enter. Then it will give you a lot of information about it, and you can also join their support server in case you need any further help. And also there is a different set of commands here. You can use them accordingly as per your needs. And that's how you set up music boot on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can comment down below and we will be happy to help you. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.